Everyone has a desire and imagined flight. Fly away to love. S160 Pro, the newest aircraft, more smaller and light. The newest S160 Pro, take you to start a new flight journey. High-definition dual camera, take more wonderful photos of you. 2.4G transmission remote controller, fly more longer. 4-sided obstacle avoidance function, make flight as you want and more safe. Record wonderful moments. Gesture photography, unlocks the newest photography way. Control the app, start the track flight function, storage backpacking, more easy to carry. It's S160 Pro.